Hey, welcome to Smoky Rides and Eats. On today's adventure, Big Miles, Shifty, and I are going to take off and go for a cruise. We met up for breakfast up in Bernalillo to kind of discuss where we're going to go for lunch, and we kicked around a few different ideas, and it was kind of warm, so we chose to go northbound to Ignacio, Colorado. None of us have been there, and we decided we'd try a new place called Farmer's Fresh Bar and Grill. And it replaced an old barbecue place, apparently, and we figured, why not? Let's go take a cruise and check it out. So enjoy the ride, and remember to like and subscribe. I'm sure you hear that all the time, but sometimes we need a reminder. All right, rubber side down, and we'll catch you on the next one. Enjoy the show.